So if you want to do affiliate marketing, then watch this video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the top free traffic sources that will take you from $0 to $10,000 per month in affiliate marketing commissions. Now, just a little bit more about me. My name is Charlie. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 2.5 years now. And currently I generate over 6 figures per month in affiliate commissions. And yeah, I use every single traffic source I'm about to say in this video. Let's get started. So the first traffic source you need to get on is TikTok. TikTok has over 700 million active monthly users, being one of the newest platforms to hit the market that is quickly grabbing everyone's attention. The user base is distributed mainly between teenagers and young people, generally in their 20s and 30s. So if you're able to take advantage of this platform's algorithm and create really captivating videos, most of which are under 30 seconds long, you can get a ton of traffic to your affiliate links. There are tons of affiliate marketing TikTokers that are absolutely crushing it. For example, Heart Defensor, who's a creator that does unboxing style videos that get millions of views. If you think about it, even if just 1% of 1 million views clicked on the link and bought the product, you'd be making serious money if that happened for multiple videos. For example, one of their videos last month got about 13 million views, showcasing an $80 plate set that does a 50-50 commission split. If just 100 of those 13 million people actually went to the website and bought the product through her link, that would result in about $4,000 that she made off of that one video. If you take a look at the actual site, we'll see that they're actually sold out until October. So I think it's safe to assume that she probably made a lot more than 100 people go to the website and order the plates. Beyond that, if you make instructional how-to videos on TikTok, this can also perform extremely well. Showing them how to do something or doing some type of review. You'll have some type of link page in your bio, and that link page is going to have your affiliate links there. So essentially, you give them the free value, and then at the end of the video, you do a little call to action saying, hey, if you guys want to get this product or whatever, go to the link in my bio and click on that link. This is a really surefire way of really increasing your conversions on TikTok. So yeah, TikTok is definitely an underplayed affiliate marketing traffic source, in my opinion. Not that many people are good at it, so if you guys can get really good at this right now, you are going to make bank. All right, so the next free traffic source we're talking about for affiliate marketing is going to be Instagram. Now, the thing that I tell every single person that wants to do affiliate marketing that's also on TikTok is if you guys are making TikToks and taking the time to make those TikTok videos, you might as well post them onto Instagram Reels. It literally takes about 30 seconds. It really isn't any extra work. And since you guys have already made the video, you might as well be omnipresent with it. So yeah, first step is if you have a backlog or library of TikTok videos, post those on Instagram Reels. Now, the way that you can actually get affiliate marketing traffic through Instagram is pretty similar to TikTok, meaning you're posting videos that offer some type of value. And then of course you're doing the call to action, pointing people to the link in your bio. It's really important to set up some type of link page so that you can promote multiple products. And yeah, there's so many people on Instagram. It's definitely one of the most important social media platforms to be on. And while a lot of people are doing lots of cool pictures and videos on Instagram, I don't think a lot of people are really optimizing for converting people to go to their affiliate links. So if you can get really good at this, you can get a lot of new traffic. Another thing you can do with Instagram is actually do stories. And yeah, Instagram allows you to actually place a link that people can click on within your stories. So what you can do is create these stories offering some type of value and then have a call to action on one of the later stories, which basically says, hey, if you guys want to, get this, use this link right here, and it's going to take them directly to your affiliate link. Another strategy with Instagram is doing live streams. And I forgot to mention this earlier when I talked about TikTok, but the same exact thing applies to that, right? TikTok also has live streams and Instagram also has live streams. So if you're able to set up 2 phones, one on TikTok and one on Instagram, you can actually film one live stream that actually goes onto both platforms. And in that live stream, you can offer some type of value. You can talk about some type of review of a product or service. And then from there, you can point them to the link in your bio and people are going to go there. The whole key is you offer some type of value on social media through Instagram and TikTok, and people will use your link because why not? Overall, Instagram is a great platform to be on. It's not that widely used for affiliate marketing. So that's why I really encourage you guys, learn the platform and get on there right now. The third free traffic source we're talking about today is your blog. Now with blogs, this relates to web search, which is a field that is pretty dense with competitors since blogs have been around for quite a long time. So what I'll say is that if you guys do create a blog, there's going to be tons and tons of competitors that are trying to rank for the same, search keywords. And that makes it quite a bit harder to actually see success. But if you are able to actually rank for certain keywords, keywords that lead to conversions to your affiliate links, then the results can be absolutely crazy, right? A lot of people that do searches on Google and other search engines are actively looking to buy or sign up for different services. So if you can be one of the first links that goes to your blog, which offers some value, then it's very, very likely that they'll read that blog or whatever it is and then use the links in that blog. Now, I'm not the expert on getting things ranked since I don't have any really high performing blogs, but all my friends tell me backlinks are one of the most important things. And that's basically when you have other big publications or blogs linking to your own blog. You can do this by networking with more people, writing guest blogs, and just being a more dominant force in that niche. You'll also want to research different keywords that people are searching and then incorporate those keywords into your blog post. You also want to focus on the meta description, the meta title, image alt tags, H1, H2 tags. And yeah, SEO is really complicated. This video is not really going to go into that, but just know that web search traffic is free as long as you're able to rank for search terms. And it's one of the most powerful traffic sources that you can get. That's why I recommend, if you do have the resources, supplement anything else you do with a blog. And yeah, if you can get that blog to actually rank for search terms, then you are going to be well on your way to making thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. All right, so we have YouTube, which is probably the best platform for most of you guys watching this video. Basically, YouTube is the second largest search engine just under Google, which means that it has the power to generate conversions from two different methods. The first method is through virality and exposure, which is similar to the content strategy that you use for TikTok and Instagram. The second method is through something called evergreen content, which is basically when your content continues to bring in views for weeks, months, and even years after it's been uploaded. This is possible because with YouTube, you can actually create videos that are searchable, such as how-tos and tutorials that people are going to be constantly looking for over the years. So on my main channel, I'm consistently getting thousands of views every day from my catalog of over 200 or 300 evergreen videos. And I think this channel will also become an evergreen powerhouse in the future. If you're able to create a ton of evergreen content on YouTube, you don't have to worry that much about creating whatever is trending or popular at the time. Rather, all you have to do is create high quality, high value videos that can help anybody that watches that video. And yeah, basically the way that this results in more traffic to your affiliate marketing links is that when you offer a lot of value through these tutorials or how-to videos or whatever other videos, a good percentage of people will look through the description for more resources. And in your description, that is where you put all your affiliate marketing links. This is basically how I built up my affiliate marketing business. This is a very big source of my own personal income. And I can truly say that YouTube is one of the best places to do affiliate marketing. But overall, there's an astronomical amount of content being watched every single day on YouTube. And if you can create content that is entertaining or helpful to the audience, then this is going to be a very great and free traffic source that can make you a lot of money. And then finally, number 5 is going to be an email list. If you talk to anyone that's really, really successful in the online space, they're going to tell you one thing, and that is you need to build an email list. The reason for this is because it is, a free thing that you can build that essentially becomes a marketing powerhouse for you. It's a list that you own yourself, right? No other platform actually owns that data. It's yours. And the amount of things you can sell within email is absolutely crazy. For me, I do have a newsletter called Hustle Club. And in that newsletter, I actually do promote links every once in a while. And this does generate affiliate marketing income. So essentially, this is a newsletter that goes out once every week or two. And in that newsletter, I create a lot of helpful information to my audience. And then I supplement that information with an affiliate link. Not only is this great for affiliate marketing, it's also really great for selling any products or courses that you actually have. And the way that I actually get people to sign up for my newsletter is by creating content on YouTube and other social media platforms, and then doing a quick call to action saying, hey, if you want to, become a better entrepreneur in 3 minutes or less per week, then sign up for Hustle Club. That is going to be a link in the description. I'll actually leave that link down below too for you guys, just so you can check it out. But yeah, this can be a very powerful free traffic source that you should be building if you want to get into affiliate marketing. So anyways, those are the top 5 free affiliate marketing traffic sources that I encourage every one of you guys to get. If you found this video helpful, feel free to reference this video at any time. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and free tutorials helping you build your business. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.